So I was testing Intune for Mac for one of my clients, and we realized that it's not sending the Office applications on the devices. And we opened a case with Microsoft, and after 2 months of troubleshooting, they said that there is a problem from Apple side and the MDM command is not installing the Office applications. So then what I had to do is write the scripts. That's what usually the Mac admins do. So there was a script that I had to write to download Office applications, Teams, Defender, and every Office components. And this is how I did. So I went to Claude. I asked it to write the script. I have realized Claude writes really good script. I let it do the job, and then to be on the safer side, what I did is I took the script and then I prompted ChatGPT to create another script, or actually modify the script and see if there is any problems. So see, what I did is I copied the script from here and pasted it in ChatGPT and asked it to verify. So when I did it, it really created a robust script. I haven't recorded everything in this video, but I tested the first script created by Claude. It has a lot of flaws, but when I tested the ChatGPT script, it was far better. I think it needed just one more prompt to take better logs and give better, UI for the user so that they understand what's going on. And also there was one thing, it was doing curl, which is not recommended. And I asked the other way to verify if the network is working okay. And actually in my case, at least in my client's case, we don't really have to bother about the network because the script itself is coming from Intune. So it would come only when the network is working okay. So I removed those things and then I proceeded. So, okay. And then it created another script for me, which I copied and tested, and it was working perfect. So what I was going to say is, whenever there's a requirement for a script, don't hesitate. And now you have like 10 different GPTs. So you could always create in one and prompt it to the other one. People say Gemini works good, but I think it does better when I have to create Python scripts. But Bash, I've realized ChatGPT works best as compared to other ones.
Wars on the TV, screams in the street. We're bound together, but divided heat. Stars in the night sky, whisper of hope.